Most construction superintendents out there are wasting 30 minutes to an hour each day writing daily reports. And I'm going to show you how to do it with AI in under 2 minutes. And honestly, once you see this, you'll never go back to the old way. All right, so picture this. It's the end of the day. It's been long, it's hot, and you're tired trying to get home, trying to remember who was on site, what got done, what went wrong. So you rush it. You kind of guesstimate at it, right? So that's when things get missed. That's when details get missed. That's when your work looks sloppy. And that's when you open yourself up to those future problems down the road. Daily reports aren't just paperwork. They're not just something you have to do. They're real protection on the job site, and we've got to get those. So let's fix it, right? First thing, this only works if your input is decent, right? AI can only do what it can do with the information you provide. So here's what I do. Throughout the day, I use voice notes, or you can take handwritten notes. I would recommend voice notes. They translate into AI easier, but you can jot quick bullet notes, take a picture of it, send it to AI. There's some other stuff that goes along with that. You're gonna have to really proofread. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You know, it could be 12 electricians on site. We set the panels in area B, and then from 2 to 4, we had a weather delay, and we're still waiting on the material from the other day. And that's it. No sentences, nothing crazy. You take that, you put it into AI, and just capture the facts. Give it to AI. AI will make the report for you. Now, this is where everything changes. Take your report, you drop it into AI, and use this prompt. Create a professional construction daily report using the following notes. Include date, weather, manpower by trade, work completed, delays or issues, safety notes, and materials or deliveries. You don't need anything more than that. That's all you got to put in there. Hey, I'll take care of the rest. What you're going to get back is going to be clean formatting. It's going to be organized and professional. It's going to be in a professional language. Instead of bullet points, you're going to have something that you can confidently send to your PM or the owners or the clients, whoever it may be. And this alone, this one thing is going to make you stand out as the greatest construction superintendent there may have ever been, just by doing this one thing. But let's not skip this one part. We have got to proofread it. You can't just rely on it to be correct. You've got to go through and proofread it. You got to make sure the names are right. You got to double check your quantities. You've got to add anything in there that AI may have missed. AI is fast, but you're still the superintendent, and the responsibility is going to lay with you on whatever you turn in. Now, you're going to get some feedback. You know, there's going to be an obvious change between what you've been turning in and what you're turning in now, right? So with that, find a format that not only you like, but your PM likes, or whoever's going to read the material that you're producing. And you're not starting from scratch each time, but you're going to copy that and you're going to input the same notes the same way every time, so that you have a clean, professional look over the life of the job. The best time to change that, or the best time would be to implement a new change into your routine, would be on another job. So think about this. Let's just step back from it and think for a second. We've just created what usually takes, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much it is, how much information it is to process. And we've dumbed it down into 2 minutes worth of work for you, plus a proofread, however long it takes to you to do that. And that's time with your family. That's time back into the job site. That's how you actually make money, and that's how you actually perform well in this career path. So guys, if you're wanting more real world, no BS ways to implement AI on your job site, subscribe to this channel, Build Smart with Will Martin, and I'm going to show you how AI can help you in the future. It'll catch mistakes and plans before they cost you thousands, and that's going to be in the next video.